Second point for the symmetry is symmetry about the x-axis. Now how it is defined? The graph or the curve is symmetry about x-axis if the equation does not change when y is replaced by minus y is replaced by negative of y. Now in particular we can say it now. In particular, an equation that contains only even power of y. Okay, we are having a graph x is equal to y square. Even power of a y represents a curve symmetry to x-axis. And example, already drawn a graph there. Example, the graph of x is equal to y square. Now here from the x-axis, points lying on this side and points lying on this side are exactly at the same distance. Okay, so the graph of x is equal to y square is symmetry on, or you can symmetry about x-axis. So this was the second point.